hello to all of you gardeners out there. This spring, if you're gardening, I want to share a quick tip with you on how to use your green onions for months. We planted these onions a while ago, and since they sprouted, I've been using the biggest leeks. I would go through the whole section and I would just go and break away a few big leeks, and I've been using them in soups and salads. Now that they're all nice and green, I'm going in and I'm actually cutting off that top portion. So you can go in with a knife and just shave them like this. And what will happen, your onion will continue to grow. If you look back at this section here, this is only 2 or 3 days since it's been cut, and the onions are already sprouting, so they'll continue to grow. And once you're done with this section, you can go back and harvest more green leeks. At the end of the season, these onions might not grow as large as onions who would be left undisturbed, but I enjoy green leeks more than I enjoy the bottom part. But in any case, the bottom part will continue to grow. So this is just one tip on how to continue to enjoy your garden for months without having to replant the same vegetable.